Have you ever been in the middle of a project only to find that your text is disappearing in Git? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle the issue of invisible text in Git and show you exactly how to fix it. I completely understand how annoying it is when you can type commands but can't see what you're writing. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face this issue, and it can really disrupt your workflow. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my text disappear when I run git log?" They mentioned that they can see the $ when using the command line, but once they enter git log, their text vanishes. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together. So, what could be causing this? This issue often arises due to terminal settings or the way Git is configured to display logs. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of invisible text in Git, the user should first check their terminal settings. Sometimes, the terminal's color scheme can cause text to blend into the background. Next, the user can try resetting the terminal. This can often resolve display issues. They can do this by closing the terminal and reopening it. If the problem persists, the user should check their Git configuration. They can do this by running a command to see if any settings might be affecting the display. Another step the user can take is to update their terminal application. Sometimes, bugs in older versions can lead to display issues. Finally, if none of these solutions work, the user may want to try using a different terminal emulator. This can help determine if the issue is specific to their current terminal. Did you know? The first version control systems were so complex that they required a PhD just to understand them. Thankfully, Git has made things much easier for us. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the issue arises because the git log command uses a pager, typically less, to display information. When you see the prompt, it's waiting for your input. You can navigate using commands like F for forward, B for backward, and Q to quit. If you want to change the pager, you can set it in your Git config. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. One user faced a similar issue with Git. They found that using the reset command in the command line interface fixed the problem. Even if the text is not visible, the reset command will still execute. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep your terminal and Git updated. Regular updates can prevent many issues, including display problems. And there you have it. Your Git should be displaying text properly now. Remember, keeping your tools updated is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our bonus tip on optimizing your Git workflow.